Hi guys, how are y'all doing today? I'm doing well. I look a little crazy because we're about to color our hair. I got this stuff to do this color over the summer, and I ended up not having time to do it, so here we are today. Here's the three colors we're going to be using. They are all by Danger Jones. The only difference is I ended up adding some of this Arctic Fox Aquamarine in the blue because I was going for more of like a, I guess like a teal color. And the pattern that I'm going to be doing, it's called a Pinwheel pattern. I'm going to put on screen one that I've done on a client. I've done this pattern on a client, just not on myself. And I'll have to kind of go along with my sectioning as I'm coloring it because of my layers. They've fallen out of the clips, so I'll have to try to work with it. I've got 6 sections. I'm going to do purple, pink, blue, and then I'm going to do blue, pink, purple. And I have my point here in the middle that I took all my sectioning from. I picked this spot right here. So I did like here and here. Hopefully that makes sense. And I'll be able to clean it up as I'm coloring it, and you'll be able to see like what I'm doing a little bit better. Oh, I guess I should show you the colors, right? Here's the blue and the purple in the bowl. And then here is the pink. And like I said, I did add that aquamarine to this blue. So it was like half of the Solitude, half aquamarine. Before we start, what do we think of this makeup? I feel like Aravos from the Dragon Prince. So my original game plan was to do the lighter colors first. And if like the darker colors got on them, it would be like whatever. But I think I'm just gonna have to do what I can. I think I'm just gonna work front sections back on either side. And I'm not gonna talk because I'm gonna need full concentration. Alright guys, I'm recording this on a new microphone, so I hope the audio sounds pretty good. I just got it for Christmas. I went through and I did my sections. I wish I had been able to get it more like pie sliced, I guess. But it's kind of hard to see like the top of your head and how you have it parted out. And I just took each section and I did vertical slices to try to get everything on the root and once I got it all on the root, I started like running it through the ends. I really like this purple shade, by the way. This is that Libertine, if I'm saying that right. I feel like it's very warm base purple, so you can really see it. Not see it, but like, I don't know, it's just a warm base purple. It's giving eggplant is what I feel. And then I like to cross-check my sections by just going through and checking them all. And once I cross-checked, I put it in a clip and then I wipe my hands off for my next color. Which my layers were getting so mixed up in this, I kept having to try to fix it. And then here's that pink. This one was Hustler, is that what it was called? It's a very hot pink. I was expecting it to be more like magenta, I think. And I kept, like, I had to change my part again because some of it got right there. So I was like, okay, I guess you're getting added to the section. But anyway, so I put the Hustler color on. It was like, you know, Shark Boy and Lava Girl? I feel like this is giving Lava Girl vibes, you know? I don't know. That's just what I feel. Look at that. I mean, it is a very pretty color, though. And I felt like these colors were really easy to work with. The consistency of them, they were very creamy. They weren't very thick, but they weren't runny either. They were a good consistency to work with. And then I did the other side. I marked my border for this section with the pink so that I wouldn't, so if I got any blue on it, it would at least be there to keep it from spreading. This is that Solitude shade, and I had mixed some of the Aquamarine by Arctic Fox in there with that one. It made a really, really, really pretty blue. Like I said, I was going for more of like a teal kind of blue for the galaxy look. And I did the same with the other sections. I just did like, once I got my sections to where I didn't have any loose hair sticking out, I felt better about going through and doing my vertical slices to make sure I got everything good. Oh my gosh, you guys. I found out something about myself when I was doing this hair color. When I'm concentrating too hard, I stop, like, blinking. Like, when I'm talking, do you see that tear going down my cheek? Like, I was concentrating so hard, I was forgetting to blink, and I had tears going down my face. So if it looks a little messy, it's because I had physical tears going down my neck and accidentally colored my ear. Oh my god. I'm always a mess. Like, it doesn't stop, ever. But yeah, I learned that about myself recently. I concentrate way too hard and then I just don't blink. I don't know. Am I just weird? Does anybody else do stuff like that? When I do my makeup, I do that too, and I thought I was allergic to something for the longest time, and then I realized I'm pretty sure it's just the lights that are on my vanity, and I think that the lights make me not blink. So I'm putting the purple back here. I know it looks like so crazy right now, but y'all, trust the process. And then blue on the other side. This was actually a very fun color to do. It took a lot of like strategizing on how I wanted to do the placement, and I had to really think about like how the colors were going to be laying because I don't part my hair down the middle, and you'll see at the end. But yeah, this was very fun. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments below. Alright guys, here's how the color turned out. This is definitely one for the books. This is one of my favorite colors I've ever done. So, obviously, like from where we split it, I have some purple laying over the blue right here. And then the pink. Coloring your hair vivids in the dead of winter is just not for the weak, I'm telling y'all. I rinsed this in ice cold water to try to keep the colors from bleeding onto each other. And unfortunately the pink, kind of turned purple on the ends a little bit. You can still see that it's pink, I think, up through here, but it kind of just blends down into purple, which this blue was really, really strong and it kind of took it over. But yeah, let me show you guys the back. I haven't broken up my curls yet from where I curled them. Let me try to break them up and show you guys the back. Alright, I hope I got some good footage of the back. I normally, when I'm coloring my hair, go in the bathroom and check my hair in the back, but I just had my husband do it. So if any spots were missed, no, I'm just kidding. This color is so freaking stunning. I can't. Like, it just all melts so pretty. And I haven't washed it yet. I just rinsed the color out and I put a gloss over it to seal the color in and make it shiny. And then to style it, I used Redken leave-in conditioner, a Chi heat protectant spray, and I used some Chi serum to keep it like nice and hydrated because the ends were dry. I'm so excited. I love it. This is like one of the prettiest colors I think I've ever done. I look so different with vivids in my hair, I think, than I do with any other color. Like, my hair always looks more lively, I think, than it does when I don't have vivids in, but I don't know. Maybe that's just me. But anyway, I'm curious to know what you guys think, so let me know down in the comments if you like this color. I was originally going to try to do like a purple, pink, purple, blue, like a 4 color on each side, but this was already hard enough with 3, so I'm glad I didn't like try to outdo myself because that would have been a little too hard for me, I think. And I mean, you can do this kind of color with any colors, like and you can take your point of center from any side. I just did it like here because I knew my part on the side, it would have some of these colors laying over and it would look really cute, kind of like highlighted vivids, I guess. Let me know what you guys think down below. I really appreciate you watching, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. I color my hair and do makeup and stuff, and then I also have a gaming channel and I'll put it on too. Follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with my life, I guess. And yeah, So thank you again for watching. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy 2025. Bye!